Introduction to Azure Synapse CLI. Azure Synapse CLI is a command line tool that allows you to manage and deploy Azure Synapse resources such as workspaces, pipelines, and data flows. This tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process of using Azure Synapse CLI. Prerequisites. Before you start using Azure Synapse CLI, you need to have Azure CLI installed on your machine and you need to be logged into your Azure account. You also need to have the Azure Synapse CLI extension installed. Step 1. Install Azure Synapse CLI extension. To install the Azure Synapse CLI extension, you can use the command as extension add, name Synapse. This command will install the Azure Synapse CLI extension and you can start using it. Step 2. Create a new Azure Synapse workspace. To create a new Azure Synapse workspace, you can use the command as Synapse workspace create. This command will prompt you to enter the name of the workspace and the location where you want to create it. Step 3. Manage Azure Synapse workspace. Once you have created the Azure Synapse workspace, you can manage it using various commands such as Synapse workspace show, Synapse workspace update, and Synapse workspace delete. These commands allow you to view, update, and delete the Azure Synapse workspace. Step 4. Create and manage pipelines. To create a new pipeline, you can use the command as Synapse pipeline create. This command will prompt you to enter the name of the pipeline and the workspace where you want to create it. You can also use the command as Synapse pipeline show, Synapse pipeline update, and Synapse pipeline delete to view, update, and delete the pipeline. Step 5. Create and manage data flows. To create a new data flow, you can use the command as Synapse dataflow create. This command will prompt you to enter the name of the data flow in the workspace where you want to create it. You can also use the command as Synapse dataflow show, Synapse dataflow update, and Synapse dataflow delete to view, update, and delete the data flow. Best practices. When using Azure Synapse CLI, it is recommended to use the command as Synapse login to log in to your Azure Synapse workspace before running any commands. You should also use the command as Synapse help to get help on any command. Additionally, you should use the command as Synapse output to specify the output format of the command. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you have learned how to use Azure Synapse CLI to manage and deploy Azure Synapse resources such as workspaces, pipelines, and data flows. You have also learned the best practices to follow when using Azure Synapse CLI. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Azure Synapse CLI to manage your Azure Synapse resources.